Sure, thank you, Tim, and thanks for having us again and again. Happy to be here. Hey, Crypto Dragon community. I hope you're pumped. I'm Karim Shaib, the CEO of the platform Web3Intelligence.com, which is powering a large infrastructure, API, and everything that companies need in order to build on the Web3, but also some super apps. And today we're going to speak about the super apps. Our DOPE token, the dopamine token, is powering the infrastructure as a license model, but also unlock you some secret features that help you make money during this bull market. To get this DOPE token, you go into the centralized exchange, Gate, Bitgate, and MEXC. You buy it, you send that to your dopamine wallet, and then you get access to some premium features. Today, what we're going to show you, you can use it and try it without the DOP token. And there is this trading challenge that you can all participate right now. And there are prize rewards given by the host for all the winners during this competition challenge. And that will help you to understand what are the features of the Dopamine app and also what is the DOP token all about. Karim Shaib, a CEO, engineer, more than 25 years in deep finance, taking care of cryptography infrastructure on 2013. Then from 2017 to 19, I've been building the infrastructure for the biggest bank to support digital asset, Bitcoin and Ethereum, and all the biggest banks that you see right now that are supporting crypto. They are relying on the work that we did during this period. 2019, I joined as a chief crypto officer, working on interoperability, everything which is related to MPC, zero knowledge proof. My background is also IBM, Microsoft, and several big entities. But our goal was always to bring all the power of all the solutions that we built into the hand of the people everywhere they are in the world, with a super apps that combine everything that you know about Web3. So you're going to see the app. I will be able to do some demo for you guys. So download the app and follow the instruction, enter the trading competition right now. There are some money to grab. Team! Yes, why not? Let's do that. So let me share my screen quickly, guys. You should be able to see my screen, and this is the first screen that you're going to see when you enter the Dopamine app. You will have an enter button, and you will be able to participate to this trading competition. You already have now people that already starting trading, so join us. Winner from the leaderboard will get real money. You can trade in this competition with fake money, paper money, so you don't have to pay anything. Just use the functionality and understand how it works. You will see it's quite crazy. So when you download the app, the main screen that you see is a make money section, which is our data science AI-based model that give you signals in order for you to make the best of your trades. You have several packages. You have shrimp, shark, killer whales, and community. Right now, I have all this functionality unlocked. For you to unlock this functionality, you go to a gate, MEXC Bitgate, you buy some dopamine token, and you send that to your wallet, pressing by receive dope. You have your public key. You can send me some if you want. And then when you have your dopamine token inside, you will be able to unlock shark, killer whales, community, and much more. Right now, if you download the app, you are not seeing the shark, killer whale, and community. You just see the shrimp, but that's more than enough for the session of today. And let's start with how it works. You guys can all see my screen, and you see there is always a blue line and a yellow line, yeah? The blue line is a current price. The yellow line is the ideal entry. The signals are coming to your phone and always show you, hey, are you below the ideal entry? If yes, you can enter. The time frame on the shrimp is 7 minutes, so it's mainly for the what we call the degen trade, the high leverage and a lot of fun. But when you use shark, you have larger time frame, and killer whales, you have like much more opportunity. So let's start with the shrimp package. The shrimp package right now, let's see. Do I have some good signals? I see 20 minutes ago, so it's a bit old of a signal. Let me refresh, see if there is something new coming. I don't see new fresh signals. So normally as a trader, I will not be entering any trade. And yeah, you let the market decide, But right now, like there are no trades that I will be taking myself because they are quite old. But let me show you anyway. Matic, 41 minutes ago, there were signals. I'm going to take it. It's an old signal, so it's probably not going to work, but that's not a problem. So you click on the signals and you just swipe it. Everything is pre-filled with the leverage, the take profit, the stop loss, everything. And then the trade is open. And then if you want to close it, you can swipe it and close it. I took all signals, so it was not meant to be a good one. But anyway, in front of your eyes, I just did like 558 bucks. So 5% within 8 seconds. That's how it works. You press, you swipe to open, and then you swipe to close. As easy as that. Everything is pre-configured for you. You can also adjust all the settings that you want for the different time frames. So 7 minutes by default is like degen crazy. 125 leverage with a 10% of allocation of your portfolio. But if you change the time frame, you can configure everything in order to put like a risk management that suits you the best. So as you just saw, like I was able to do this trade very easily, and it was already like a positive trade, even if I don't have like signals that personally I would rely on with real money. You learn right now by participating to this trading competition. So guys, come inside and play with us. But when you are ready and when you understood exactly how the platform works, you can connect to your exchange here, Bitgate, Gate, Binance, BitMEX, Bybit, OKX, and we keep on adding new exchanges. So from the app, when I say you are able to do everything, you are able to do management of all your centralized exchange with one interface, which means that you can open trade on the app or directly from your desktop. And then if you're on the go, you can use the app in order to manage your trades, close them, or open more. You can do everything like this. Let me show you what we have more. So the shrimp, you saw it's limited to 7 minutes time frame. But on the shark, when you have unlocked the functionality with the DOP token, you have access to larger time frame, like basically all the time frames that you want. You can filter them and decide which type of trader you are. If you are somebody which is used to trade on the 4 hours or on the daily, you can do so. And here you have all the signal here. You see, for example, I have a 1 hour time frame on the BNB. Blue line and yellow line are exactly together. Seems not bad at all. And it's a big buy signals. So I just put my trade inside, and now I have my position open. It's already generating profit. You can see that in real time, but I'm going to let it run a bit because that's a 1 hour time frame. So that's as easy as it gets in order for you to manage your trades, and you rely on the data science that we are compiling for you on all the time frame. Now, let me show you like the highest package that we have, which is a killer whale, which brings you something crazy, which is like baskets. So team, now you start to be used to what we do. Baskets is basically our data science is able to tell you 1 week in advance a list of assets that we believe are going to outperform the market greatly. You see, like for example, this one on the Friday, 10 assets, the return of investment is already 272%. Okay. You don't have to care which assets are inside. You can see them anyway and verify. You can see like always where was the entry point and where we are standing. The entry point is the yellow line. The blue line is always the current price. And even if this signal has been generated before, I can still jump in and invest, and I can say, I want to put $100 in these assets. And then by clicking proceed, automatically the position is going to be taken in all of these assets. And I can see up all the trade I've been taking on all of these assets. And if I want to close them all, I just have to press one of the buttons. So I'm going to let it ride a bit. You see it's already on the green side, which is quite good. And that's what we do. It's technology that normally like big institutions like hedge fund and wealth manager are using. This is what we call like a kind of basket and ETF, where you invest into a narrative and have the chance to get like the highest return of investment in average on other position. So that's for the killer whale. And when you buy the killer whale, you have the chance to get access to the community trade. That means you guys can create trades that you can publish for a small fee in Dope token, and you can put a price that you want to get paid by each user that want to use your trade. So if you are a good trader, and Tim, let's do that together. Or somebody, perhaps you could take somebody, from the community if you want. Is there like somebody which feels that he's a good trader here and has a bit of an audience? Yes, is there like any traders in the chat here that want to give a try, and we're gonna publish, or we're gonna show him like how he can make money? Okay, you're a good trader. Okay, you're a good trader. So let's take your input. Let me reshare quickly. Bam, that's it. So what do you want to trade? What is the coin that you'd like to trade, Tim? XRP, the XRP army is in the place. So you choose a XRP USDT pair. What do you want to do as a trade? Do you want to be fully crazy 125, or you want to be a bit more reasonable? 10x leverage. What is like your price prediction? Like how high you think like XRP is going to go on this trade? Your take profit. 65, 0.65? Great. What is your, let's say we can say your stop loss. When do you want to get stop loss? Let's say, I would say 0.58, okay? So you have like 46% to 68. So that's a 1 to 1.5 risk reward ratio, okay? And now you can decide to publish this trade. How confident are you with XRP reaching 0.65? Are you great confident? Do you think it's a good trade? Okay, how much money do you want people to pay you for using your insight? $5, $10, $100, $1? $100? Okay. Look, why not? Why not? A good trader, you have a good community, and you say your insight and your trade are so powerful that you want people to pay $100 because they make much more money out of your information. That means that $200 out of our 3.6 million users, if 50,000 users want to take this trade, they will all have to send you $100 directly in Dope to your wallet, which out of 50,000 users, that means like you will be doing 5 million just publishing this trade, 5 million US dollar. If you just have 50 people taking your trade, that's already $5,000 that you get into your wallet. You just have to pay a little publishing fee, which at the price of dope is the equivalent of $4, and that's it. You swipe it, then your trade is placed, and then people in the community can see, oh, there is a trade. I don't know if it's a long or short, I don't have information, but if I want to unlock it, I click on it, and then you pay directly. This trade is $5. You pay directly in dope. So dope is really like the utility that power all this community trade. And for everybody which is a trader and want to build his audience, you create a profile, and then all the published trades that you have published and the statistics are being shown to the community, and they can decide to follow you. And every time you publish a trade, then they will be informed, and then they can actually decide if they want to buy your trade. So that's how the functionality is working. Let's go back now to the open trade that we opened together. And you can see my BNB long 15x, which is like, reasonable leverage. It's already generating 375, $400. I'm closing this position in front of your eyes, and you saw like I already did right now $377 in 7 minutes. Let's go back now to my other open trade. I showed you what we had from the killer whale, which is like this basket of crypto, which out of all these assets, one is in red, the rest are all positive, but the sum of return of investment that we did together is already 6%. So I can close it all. I press on the button, and it is already closing all my position one by one, bam, 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 bam. And you can see my amount of money at the top is not anymore 100,000, but I get to reach much more. So that's what I did in front of you. And this is a trade that I've been doing like here, and you see like there is no red. Like it looks like 100% strike. Sometimes you miss a trade, but you see like the probability that you get in order to be return of investment positive is quite high. And if you found like a better system, let us know. We've put a lot of work into building these functionalities that normally is exclusively accessible for big guys. I said like funds, wealth manager, and everything. But we really wanted to bring these functions into the hand of everybody wherever they are in the world. They just need to have a phone. And you see, like the technology that we have is, I would say, like same type of technology that you have, like when you are a Bloomberg type of trader with like, like the capacity to see different trade into one screen and see all the information that you need. And we have simplified the user interface in a way that you just need to care about two lines, a yellow and a blue. The yellow is the ideal entry, and the blue is the current price. So here, like all the trade that I see, like the signal that I see on the shrimp, are already to hold. I don't have right now something relevant on the shrimp, and that's why I would recommend like to buy the shark package or the killer whale package, because you will get much more opportunities there. Tim, you're still with me? Yes. But it's very simple. We have three packages: the shrimp, which right now is free, where you have only the 7 minutes time frame. Then you have the shark, which gives you all the other time frame. And then you have the killer whale that gives you access to everything, plus the bundles that I showed you before, plus the community trade. So the biggest package is a killer whale, and it's in dope right now with the price of dope at $19, and you have everything unlocked for 1 week. So you guys need to see by yourself, okay, you put $20, for example, to get the highest package, the killer whale, and now you need to see, are you doing in profit more than $20? If not, that's not for you. But if you are doing much more, like $100, $500, $1,000, or $100,000, then for $19.99, like you have like a function that is really, really powerful. To get access, easy. You go to the centralized exchange, Gate, Bitgate, MEXC. You buy some dope, you send it to your dopamine wallet, and then with this dope, you unlock this functionality by sending and consuming this dope and sending back to the treasury. That's how we have redefined the utility in the Web3 space by having a token that on day one is already like fully usable and that you can use with real functionalities that bring value to you. What about the, yep, tell me please, Tim. Tim. Yeah, that's a very good. Yes, so very good question. So we did the launch with nearly no marketing, just relying on our existing user base, which is quite high. We did already 2x from the launch price that we did at a fair launch value, same price as the biggest VC in the world. And now we are onboarding YouTubers, KOL, press release agencies, marketing agencies to help evangelize about the functionality. So you will see a lot of competition that everybody can participate. They can use the functionality for themselves, test the product, and verify that they get a lot of value out of it. So that's what we have planned right now. But you saw this is just the surface of the iceberg. I just show you like the functionality that I like the most, but I can show you a bit more functionality and you can see by yourself if you believe that the DOP token is for use for you or for your friends, and understand that there is just a 500 million supply, which is used as a licensing model for big institution, but also is powering all the retail users. So the supply is just 500 million. So I would say like get your hand on DOP in order to access everything. So let's go to the first tab. I don't know if you see the first tab now. As I said in the previous one, you are able to manage all your exchanges with data science signals. But when you go to the first tab, you have the capacity to manage all your wallets. If you have Trust Wallet, MetaMask, I don't know, like you name it, so much wallet, you can manage all of your wallets with Dopamine. And here I have 7 wallets. I have other phone where I have 40 wallets. You can see at the top the amount of money that is through all the network and through all the wallets, and you can manage your wealth like this. You can import your seed, you can connect with Wallet Connect, you can do whatever you want. You have the total freedom. Everything is self-custodial. That means like you are always in control of your funds, your keys, your security. Nobody can do anything. That's you are in full control, self-custody. You can see there is an A plus. A plus is the grade of cleanness of your wallet. It tells you if your wallet is clean. We have built a world standard in anti-money laundering, where we go fetch all the EML results on the world and bring that back to you to get sure that you know how clean your wallet is, and you can get sure that you keep your funds safe and clean from a regulatory and compliance perspective. You have the receive, you have the send, you have the swap with best execution engine to get sure that you have always the best price through the different blockchain. You have leverage trading centralized on the different exchange, decentralized leverage trading, spot everything. So let me, for example, show you on the market. Again, you can see all your funds on through all your blockchains. You can see all the tokens that you have. You can see like how they are performing on daily, hourly, monthly. You have the bubbles. You can expand the bubbles and see them moving in real time according to the price. And you have all the coins. You can search any coins. Let's say you like XRP. You can check XRP, for example. You told me you like it. And now you can buy as you want. You can buy directly on spot, directly connecting your centralized exchange. So you have to choose which exchange you want to buy. If you want to buy on Binance, BitGet, or whatever exchange that you want, directly spot trading. You also have the capacity to buy directly with a swap. So you choose your network, and then you're able to buy it like this. or you can buy it also with a fiat on ramp, off ramp directly with your credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or whatever you want. So you have like really spot, leverage, and fiat payments for you integrated inside it. Okay. You have on top of it everything regarding NFTs plus traditional datas, and then let me show you the NFTs. Come on, my network seems to be a bit slow. We're gonna wait for the collection price to load. Yes, you can see all the NFTs, everything which is related to traditional data, like price of gold, price of an S&P 500, NASDAQ, everything to get sure that you have a view on the traditional market. And because we have the anti-money laundering embedded inside the app, you have in the next step connection to all the banking institution that you want. You can also have access to Launchpad, compliant Launchpad, and IDO to get sure that you can participate into the launch of new cool project. And of course, real world asset investments, which is one of the narrative that BlackRock has shown big interest in. Now that you have gone through the full finance tab, let's have a check into the media and fun tab, where here you are given a fully customizable dashboard. Yeah, you can customize the dashboard. Perhaps you want to see the prediction at the top. Everything is WYSIWYG. You can decide how you want to customize it, what information you want to see. And here, for example, the AI predictions, we are able to give you 1 week in advance the coins that are going to outperform the market. And you see Pendle 53%, Nervos, like all of those assets. If you look at the max perf here, which is always here, everything is green. And if you want to look back in the time, how the prediction has been performing, you can see that if you would have put $1,000 since January, you would have done 1 million. And you can go back through the different weeks. You say like, oh, last week I would have done 81K, previous week 90K, this week it was 238K. And you always have like, what was the coin to buy, what was the price to enter, what was the price to go out. So you can really backtest the result and verify by yourself. And every week we give you these predictions. And for that, again, you get that when you unlock the Shark or the Killer Whale package. So this information normally should help you like to really make your money back on the money that you bought the dope token. But again, you need to verify by yourself. Don't trust, verify. Then what you have is all the videos, all the YouTubers. When you're trading, thank you, Crypto. So you have all the videos in real time. That means like while you're trading, you get always like the new videos to know what is happening. And if you don't understand English, you can translate all the videos in real time summaries into your mother tongue, if it's Chinese, Korean, Japanese, English, Russian, whatever, French, or whatever. And then you get sure that you understand what this guy are saying. The same with podcast, always all the podcasts in real time. So let's listen to one podcast, and at the same time, I will check the news. I start the podcast, and now I'm able to read the news. So you see, this is like a multitask type of app where you're able to do everything that you want in the same times, because time is of essence when you're in a bull market. And we provide all these tools for you to optimize your trading and your impact on the market and take advantage of the opportunities through these functions unlocked by the DOP token. And now if I finally go to the fun section, sometimes you will just want to have fun. And let's say you want to play some basketball. And if I shoot right, I will get some meme coin here, baby Doge, yes. So you can play other games like, wait a second that I unmute myself. Yeah, can you repeat, Tim? Yes, 100%. So in the last 3 weeks, we have been sending more than 1.1 million NFTs to people to battle in real time. So we have a game which is like NFT Wars. All the NFTs that we are sending out through partnership have superpower. They have stamina, strength, defense, all this type of superpower. And you are playing in real time on chain. It's nobody is doing that. It's really crazy. And if your NFT is stronger than your opponent's NFT, which is choose at random, then basically you get his NFT. And at the end of the competition, every time we open it, we have a leaderboard, and the people that are winning this competition receive airdrops of low cap gem. So it's quite a innovative and crazy way to show what we can do on the blockchain. And the app is all about showing the power of what is possible on the Web2 space. So yes, like follow the socials, you will get these NFTs for free, and then you are able to play with them and earn money by participating to these NFT live battles. And the other thing that you can earn is not just the NFT, but the meme coin when you are playing, and also real money when you're trading and use the tools. Like we do believe that the trading tool that we are giving are really, really, really powerful. And perhaps it's time to come back to it. So let's see what we have. So you see, like the NFT walls, which is here, and you can access it when we unlock every time we do some super competition. So let me go now back to the make money section, which is my preferred section, because that's, I mean, if people are in the crypto space, very often is in order for them to make money. Yeah. So let's see if I have some new signals coming out on the shrimp. Let me see. Let me see if my network is okay. My network is a bit slow. Perhaps I can change it. I don't know if you still hear me, guys. I have changed my network now. Everything is a bit quicker. Yes, 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 yes. Good. So you can see, for example, there is a new trade that came, BNB 5 minutes. It's a small buy. I don't care. Right now, I can use it as paper money. And guys, oh, we have some traders right now. We have some traders that are joined. I am in second place. There is somebody called Odium, which is actually kicking my ass and managed to do, since we are speaking, $22,000 profits. So keep on, Odium. I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you. Let's see if I manage to do better. I hope people that are listening to us are actually participating, because there are some real money to win on this one. So let me see if I can take this PNB trade, which needs to be a bit whole, but why not? I tried. It's a paper money. So we'll see how it goes. Right now it's a minus, but I will not close it. I will go to the shark. So I'm cheating compared to Odium, which probably doesn't have the shark package open, but I will see if there is something interesting for me in this one. Blue line on the right side of the yellow line. So not too much. Bitcoin, this one doesn't seem too bad. I'm gonna take it too. I will be playing a bit risky because I want to be first on the trading competition. What else I can try? Dogecoin, 45 minutes, issued 51 minutes ago. Yeah, let me take it also, because the blue line is on the left side. Let me see if I see something more. Check, 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 check. True SD, the blue line is already on the right side of the yellow, so I don't enter. Yeah, I will say for now, that's a kind of trade that I have. Let me monitor them. Right now, I'm in red. So the thing is, like, you don't want to close in red. You always want to close in green. So I let it do its things, and I will come back to it. In the same times in the app, you can long press on Bitcoin and always check like how the graph is looking. Right now on 1 minute time frame, I see that it's dumping a bit, but I will see how it goes, letting it a bit alive. I do trust the signal, so I'm going to let them run. and we will see if that was a good decision or no. So guys, make your own experience, get your perception right about it, and see if you are able to make money with what we are providing inside the app right now. This BNB, I can recycle it too. And let's see. So yeah, I will let them run. It seems like the market is a bit choppy, so I will let them run right now, and we can go through more questions, and we will see a bit later when I come back on it. Kiki, if you are in the chat and you can hear me, like you can message Tim and tell him that for whatever reason it seems like. Yeah, I can. What happened? Like, did I drop off, or like, did everybody drop off? What happened? Oh, what a pity. Where did you drop off? Like, did you saw me taking some more trade or no? Okay, cool. Let me reshare my screen. Sorry, guys, that happened. I don't know why. Perhaps when I was switching my network. But let's go back into the trade. So that was a trade that I was opening. Some are still red, but I will wait for them because they are more long term. And this one with a short time, I'm closing it, and I did again 775 in 2 minutes. So while we were speaking. I will wait for those ones, which are long to come. But because I have a proper risk management, I know that it's going to be fine. Is there like some new other question or new question that you'd like us to answer? I just missed a 3 minutes trade. Yes, 100%. So you buy the DOP token on Gate, Bitgate, and MEXC. You send it to your Dopamine wallet, and then by unlocking these features, I will show them to you right now. What are all the functionality? Uh-huh. You can, guys, see my screen, yes? So you can see what you have, like on the, let's say, let's start with the shrimp. The shrimp, which is for free right now, you have the short-term signals and the exchange trading. Then you have the shark. In the shark, you have the short-term signals, but you have all the bot trading. That means like all the different time frame where you can configure your bot and import your own signals. And then you have the exchange trading and the weekly predictions, like the data science / AI that tell you what are the 20 coins that are going to pump within a 1 week time frame. Then you have access to the move to earn, the play to earn, the NFT marketplace and NFT studios. So you're able to create your own NFTs, or with a marketplace to sell all your NFT that you have created or that you have earned through the battles. All of that is in the shark package, and the killer whale is really like the biggest one, where you have all the previous functionality, but on top of it, you have the crypto basket, the community signals, the hidden gems coin signals, like which are like created by the team itself. people that are like doing quantitative analysis. And then you have also access to the YouTube Digest, Move to Earn, Play to Earn, and the rest of functionality. So basically, the Killer Whale is the biggest package. And right now, at the price of dope, it's only at 99, no, $19 for a week, and it gives you access to everybody. This one is at the actual price of the dope token at $10, and this one below than $20, so $19. And you need to see when you unlock these packages, how much value it brings to you. You know, like at the end of the day, if you found out that these packages are bringing tremendous value, you're going to be recurring customer in the sense that you will be buying more and more dopes every week to get your package unlocked. And to unlock it, it's super simple. You click right now, you see they are activated, but in order to unlock it, you click on the activate button, and it will ask you to send the required amount of dope back to the treasury, which means reducing the supply of dope on the market. Tim, you with me? Let me let me stop the screen sharing, because when I do screen share, it seems like your voice is dropping. Can you repeat? I'm really sorry, Tim. Like your voice was breaking down. Perhaps like the network is not the best. Can you repeat again? Yes, much better. Oh, so the algorithm and the software tell you what the market is going to tell to what the market is going to do. Of course, it's no financial advice, but based on the data that we get, it can tell you right now it's a really good time to enter, and you should enter at this moment or at a better price, but not after. And if you follow this indication, normally you are in a really good place to make like a very good trade. That's what the data science is all about, like to really tell you which coin at which moment is an interesting trade. Yes, yes, yes. Um, yes, Tim, perhaps we have a chance to let some question from the community to come in. I would love to hear like what the yeah, Tim, I would love to hear like if there are some question from the community about what they saw and what they think about this functionality, and if they will be interested to try it, and if they are right now in the trading competition. Like, let me know, community, what you think about what you just saw, and if you are already in the competition, if you are able to crunch it. Guys, do you have any question? Don't be shy. Any You guys can see my screen. Like all the position now are in profit. I have a Doge position in profit, $70. I have a BNB position that is getting to profit, but still a bit early. I'm going to wait a bit more. At the same time, I'm going to see if I have more signals coming. But you see, like my overall trades are now at 6% since the beginning of this call. Guys, can you still hear me? Is there any more question? Hey, Roman. Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you doing, Roman? Alhamdulillah. Same here. Please. Yes, it is open to everyone. And if you don't have the app right now, you should download the app and enter the trading competition. If you are part of the winner of the competition, you get money. But the most important part is you are able to learn how to use the functionality. And everything is for free at this exact moment on the shrimp package. And if you like the shrimp package, most probably you will want to try the other package, which means like you're going to go to the centralized exchange to buy some more dope. Roman, does it reply to your question? My pleasure. Barakallahu fik. Perfect. Yes, thanks so much. Join our Telegram community and ask all your questions. People are going to take you by the hand in order to ensure that you understand how to use the app and to take profit out of it. And yeah, it was a pleasure to be there. Thank you so much, team, and speak to you soon. Thank you, guys. Trade well. Thank you. Bye. Kiki, you can hear me? You hear me? You're muted.